Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by securing your account and data. That prevents permanent loss. Once done, take clear screenshots of each broken loadout so you can rebuild exactly. Next, force stop the app and clear only the cache from system settings to remove temp corruption. Do not clear app data yet. While offline, confirm you're logged into the same account method, Google or Facebook, because consistent credentials are required to resync saved loadouts when you reconnect. You now perform the critical reinstall. Uninstall the game to delete corrupted local assets that cause loadout failures. Once removed, reboot your device to clear RAM and file locks. Reinstall the current store build, but launch the game without internet first to let initial setup finish locally. Then sign into your bound account and enable connectivity. This forces the server to push authoritative loadout data back to your client. Make sure finish by rebuilding one loadout from your screenshots and immediately test it in a private match to confirm attachments and perks load correctly. If corruption remains, back up your screenshots and then clear app data to reset local profiles before signing in again. This forces a fresh pull from server states. If none of this works, collect game logs and submit them with your screenshots to support. The key troubleshooting tip: always bind account first and include logs. Support cannot restore unbound progress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.